Welcome back in. It is like something out of a sci-fi movie. An asteroid NASA actually used for target practice a few years ago was nudged into a slightly different route around the sun.
This is good news. As reporter Madison Scarpino shows us, the findings could help divert a future killer space rock.
Yeah, I think the Earthlings should sleep better.
It was a test to see if NASA could save the Earth, and they passed. In Hollywood movies, soldiers blow up killer asteroids with nuclear weapons, but in the real world, science just showed all it takes is a little nudge. Back in 2021, NASA launched a spacecraft called DART. It met up with an asteroid and used it for target practice. And now the data shows the impact sent the asteroid in a slightly different direction, proving it is possible to save the planet from a real threat.
We can move it and hopefully just save lots of damage, lots of people on Earth, and avoid the fate of the dinosaurs.
The changes in direction were incredibly small, but they added up over the years and eventually moved the asteroid about a half a mile off its course. Mission leaders say that shows the key is delivering a tiny shove years in advance, not a big explosion at the last minute.
It just gave it a small nudge. But if you wanted to do this in the future, potentially, it could potentially work, but you'd want to do it years in advance.
Now the focus turns to prevention, with NASA likely to increase funding for deep space monitoring to make sure there's enough time to launch another mission if the Earth is in danger.
As a scientist, I fully hope to be surprised by the results of the experiment, although as a planetary defender, I don't want to be too surprised.
NASA is hoping to learn more about the impact later this year, when a European spacecraft is expected to reach the asteroids. In Atlanta, Madison Scarpino, Fox 13 News.
Oh, fascinating, David.
Yeah, this keeps me up at night, that they may not know that one's coming for us. So
Right.
I'm glad to know if they do see it, they can knock it out of the way.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's cool.